Hi everyone, I'm doing a review of the 20-inch carry-on KROSER's luggage, which I just purchased for my mom. I was traveling to the Caribbean in 2 weeks. I wanted something comparable to the Monos, which is the one I have, but without spending a lot of money. I liked what I saw on Amazon. I really loved the color. At the time, they had a $10 coupon off, which I utilized, obviously. So far, I love the color. Love the design of the suitcase itself. It has a TSA lock, which works great, as you can see. The wheels are fine. I'm turning it on a rug, which is the ultimate test, and it's doing just fine. I apologize. I have to sit on the floor and do this review. As far as inside the luggage, I'm liking as well the luggage inside. It has everything the Monos has, except one extra thing. It has the little pocket for a portable battery in case she has to charge her phone. And I like that feature for her, especially because I don't want her not to have a charged phone, especially in the airport. And I have a feeling my mom will forget. On this side, as you can see, it has the mesh cover, which I like. I like to keep this covered. Again, very comparable or similar to the Monos one. You have your elastic and you have a zipper here. I like that. On this side, you have two pockets. You have your waterproof pocket, and then you have a regular pocket. Again, you have this lining. Sorry. This lining. And then inside right here, you have the pocket for the portable battery. And I like this. So far so good. I'm liking the suitcase. I think it's really, really good. I like the way it looks. Sorry for the bad video as I'm doing this with my phone. But overall, yes, I am liking the suitcase. Love the color. Bye.
Okay, I see a lot of comments saying that the charger doesn't work, but actually it does, and I'll show you how. So, when you first get the suitcase, there's this pocket, and then there is a cord right here that you'll find right here in this pocket. You need this to charge your phone. So when a lot of people say your charger doesn't work, they will have a charger, and then they'll put, they'll put the charger in there, and then right there, and then they'll charge their phones, and they'll look and they'll say, oh, it's not charging. Actually, if your phone is connected to the charger right here, you need to find this cord and then plug it into an outlet, because the suitcase is not charging your phone. It's the you have to still have an outlet that charges your phone. And as you can see, this cord isn't plugged into anything, so the light is green, but this cord is red because my phone is charging. So I guess really the only way that this would work in an airport is if you had like a portable charger that you just stuck in there. That would charge your phone. But like if you don't hook this cord up to some outlet source or battery pack, and you only have this cord like in with that connected to nothing, and this cord only connected to your phone, then your phone's not going to charge. You have to have this cord connected to some source. Okay, well, I hope this helped a lot of you guys, so bye.
You know, I really wanted to like this, but unfortunately, the inner zippers of this are backwards. The actual zippers are backwards on both sides. So it makes it very, very difficult. See, these are on the other side, and so everything zips in reverse. It makes it very difficult to use any of these compartments. I would love to have given this a 5-star review. Everything's, everything's pretty nice otherwise. I have it's nice flaps, has the compartment for wet and other compartments, nice mesh, nice space, but it's just these stupid reverse zippers drive me wild. This one started in the middle here, so I had to really try to get it to a static place. It's really disappointing.
Ten and a half inches wide. With the zipper extension zipped up closed. Make it make sense.